Welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for visiting. So today we get another sexy lingerie panty to review, Kuradangerz. So if you are interested to know sa ating new sexy lingerie panty, please keep on watching. At before we are going to start our video, please do hit the subscription button below. And of course, ring our bell so that you will be notified if ever Inday Kuradang will upload another video. Here it is, Kuradangerz, our very sexy, very nice yellow sexy panty. And look at that, it has a very nice detail mesh. And look at the band, it is a reversed heart design lace. Very nice and very elegant to wear. I like the see-throughness effect of the fabric they use on this lingerie. Very nice and very pretty to look at. Though you can see it is color yellow and very unusual color of a lingerie. But look at that. Very nice and very pretty indeed of a lingerie. I love the fabric they use with this lingerie, very smooth on the skin, and at the back it is a thong design panty that is so very sexy to wear, though it is kinda unusual in color but still very pretty, very lovely to wear.